For so long, I believed a lie. The enemy whispered in my life, no one loves you. No one wants you. You're alone. And even though I knew Jesus, even though I believed, I felt abandoned. The weight of loneliness crushing me. But here's the truth. The devil never wanted me to see that I was never alone. And the moment I fully surrendered to Jesus, not just believing in him, but living for him, I realized he had never left me. The presence of God became so real, not just an idea, but an experience. The Bible says, he who has ears to hear, let him hear. That's not strange. That is an invitation. God speaks. Maybe you won't hear an audible voice. Maybe at first you won't hear anything at all, but you'll feel him. A peace, a warmth, a chill down your spine. That's him responding. And as you seek him, as you draw closer, you will hear him. Not like a voice in the wind, but like a thought in your mind. A voice that isn't yours. Words that you know aren't your own. That's the voice of the one who made you, who loves you, who wants you. You are not abandoned. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. Jesus is always with you.